Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again. I hope you are doing well and you are staying safe. So today I'm going to teach you how I make my detox tea or my weight loss tea or my immune booster tea. So this is very simple. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere. I'm going to teach you how to make this goodness. Can't you see that? Stay tuned, do not go anywhere, and let's get into the actual video. So as I always do, I'm going to display the ingredients I'm going to use. So I have 3 sticks of cinnamon, I have some turmeric or turmeric, any way you call it, and I have some ginger. So one thing about this turmeric and ginger is that they're all from the same family, so you might not be able to really differentiate them, but you should see turmeric when you see one. So I'll start with chopping the turmeric into reasonable sizes, and when I'm done I'll chop the ginger as well, and let's continue. So when I'm done chopping the turmeric, I'll transfer it from the chopping board into the saucepan that I'm going to boil the tea. So as you can see, I'll just put it in and come to the ginger, and when I'm done with the ginger, I'll come and put it in as well. So when I'm done chopping the ginger, I'll transfer it to the saucepan as well. And you know what I'm going to do with the cinnamon sticks? You can just put it in the saucepan wholly like that, but I choose to break them into smaller pieces so that it can speed up the how do I even say it? Let me say it can speed up the reaction, since I'm a chemistry student. So that was just by the way. So I'll break them, and I'm going to add some amount of water. Yes, so since this is a detox tea, you can add any amount of water that you want, because this one, after boiling it, I'll keep the ginger and the turmeric and the cinnamon stick and refill it. I'm going to add extra water to it and leave it overnight and boil it the next day. So that's it. So I allowed it to boil for 7 minutes, and now I'm going to take it off fire and allow it to cool down. Then I'm going to serve, and that's it. Very simple and easy to prepare. So now our tea is here, very simple, looking so gorgeous in the saucepan. Like guys, everything in this pot is highly nutritional. Do not joke with them at all. because ginger naturally suppresses your appetite and it doesn't allow you to eat much. That's why it helps control your weight, or it helps in weight loss. Cinnamon on the other side does so much magic. So now I'm going to pour into my glass, and I mean, there's no need for me to even sieve this because everything is nutritional. I first of all washed everything thoroughly, everything, because since these are roots, I mean, the turmeric and the ginger, they had some sand on it and all that. I did everything. I washed them very well before actually cutting them. So everything is nutritional, everything is wholesome for consumption. So here you can drink it like that, or you can choose to add a sweetener, and the sweetener I'm going to add is my honey. So you add the sweet honey, you add it and stir. So that's it, your tea is ready to serve. I hope you all try this, and I mean, go on this journey with me. I've been drinking this for the past 1 month, so I'll continue doing it and I'll see how it goes. Stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe. Oh, don't forget to like, don't forget to share. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. See you all on another video. Bye bye.